Okay, so I met Ben Talley through a reference from a friend of mine, Rhonda, and I was very nervous in the beginning to consider doing some surgery on my face. And I had, since I was a teenager, I was always worried about my neck. I always thought I had a big double chin and hid it with turtlenecks. But when I met Ben, he made me feel very comfortable right from the very beginning. And I wasn't even able to trick him by doing only a first procedure without going under a full anesthetic, just the local procedure. But when he did the upper eye, I was so happy and so impressed about how confident he made me feel and how relaxed I was and how quick the procedure actually worked and the recovery time from that. So I was excited to do a second procedure to do under my eye and my neck and get that lifted. And I was at all times very relaxed and very confident. Ben made me feel terrific. What else I can say is how excited I was after the procedure, because I went to work almost immediately, and people were telling me how improved I looked and how happy they were to see me. As a matter of fact, they kept telling me I lost a lot of weight instead of having had a facial procedure. So this continues to now. I think I started this in May, and even yesterday people were telling me how wonderful I looked and how happy they were for me. So I feel 20 years younger. I don't have any problems anymore waking up and looking at myself in the morning and feeling old. I feel terrific, and I can't thank Ben enough for this.